Hi guys, and welcome to today's task. Maybe I should get closer.
Start it up.
Hi guys, and welcome to today's task. For today's task, I'm a little bit hoarse, maybe a little bit tired, and a little fatigued because we've been on the road for almost a week straight and we have driven 2,000 miles on this awesome road trip that I'm going to show you all of the tasks that I try to accomplish or tools that I use to accomplish them. Today I want to show you the must-haves that I bring on every road trip, whether it's 4 days or 4 weeks. These are the things I carry. Number one, a rechargeable headlamp. I will link everything that I bring in the description down below, but this headlamp, you plug into a USB charger and it is good to go, and it is unbelievably bright. And it's a must-have. Last night I was using it the whole night. We rolled in here in the dark. Next on the list is my Silicone Spray. This is WD-40 brand, and I will link this as well because I've already had to use this on a couple of things that have just kind of stuck a little bit, things that aren't closing or opening all the way. I'm already using this, and I'll use it a few more times while we're out here. Next is an impact drill. Now, you can just use a socket set with a bigger wrench, but this is quicker and faster, and sometimes time is necessary. I've had a few tire blowouts before, and I've needed to change them very quickly because you're stuck on the side of the road, and so this tool honestly gets me into a safer situation faster, and so I like that a lot. It gets my family off the road faster as well, because if you're on the road, you're most likely on the road with your family. Next is a pair of leather work gloves. This is the brand that I prefer. They're the brand that I buy almost every time, and as you can tell, they get well used, but they're what I put on before I touch anything, because when you're riding down the road, you're kicking up nothing but dirt, dust, and grime, and everything is filthy dirty, so it's kind of nice to have a barrier between your hands, because you may not have a good wash stop always. The last two items are simple. One is a set of drill bits. I do carry my regular drill with me always, but last night we already were using these drill bits to kind of punch some new holes for things that needed to be re-secured or tied down, so always be carrying drill bits with an actual drill as well. And last but not least is a crescent wrench. You don't know how many times you're going to come across a bolt that is huge that you need to either tighten up or loosen or just kind of crank on something, and a crescent wrench is your number one tool. Between this one and this one, this is how you're bolting everything together. You guys, this is a very simple today's task, and I will link all of the tools that I've listed down below. If you guys want to see, if you guys want to stick around for the rest of our RV journey and things that I'm going to show you how to do, or what I do on our RV tasks, I guess you could say, click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the vlogs, and hit that subscribe button so that you can be a part of this journey. And until next time, we'll see you guys later. One thing I forgot to mention is these boots, wellies, whatever you want to call them.
Blah, blah, blah.
You want these because they're easy to slip on and off when you have to get in and out of the RV a million times. All of the tasks.
I'm gonna run past you.
Go for it.
Party boogie.
Add that at the end, that's funny.